Today, we are unlocking the secrets to some of the most powerful, professional-grade AI tools on the planet. And you know what the best part is? Every single one of them is completely 100% free.
All right, let's just get this out of the way. When you hear about cutting-edge AI, your mind probably jumps to pricey subscriptions or, super complex tools that you need a PhD to figure out. But is that really the case anymore?
Well, think again. Because in 2026, the game has been totally flipped on its head. The most revolutionary, creative, and productivity tools, they're not locked away. They're available to everyone right now for zero cost. You just have to know where to find them.
So let's start with what I like to call your new creative partner. We've all been there, right? Staring at a blank page, whether it's for an essay, a script, or just trying to come up with a new idea. Well, these tools are going to be your new best friend.
So who's in the ring? On one side, you've got the household name, ChatGPT. It's a fantastic all-arounder, great for quick questions and brainstorming. But on the other side, you've got Claude, and I'm telling you, this one is a writing specialist. What makes Claude an absolute beast is its massive 200,000 token context window. Now, to put that in perspective for you, you could literally feed it the entire novel, The Great Gatsby, and then ask it to trace a theme through every single chapter. It remembers everything. For deep, serious analysis, it's a total game changer.
So if you're kind of wondering, okay, where do I even begin? Here's the general consensus from the experts. For any serious writing or analysis, you're going to want to start with Claude. If you're doing research, go with Gemini. And then you keep ChatGPT in your back pocket for all the quick, creative stuff in between. It's a really simple but incredibly powerful strategy.
Okay, so you've written your masterpiece, but how do you actually bring it to life visually? Well, the next step is pretty magical. Turning your words into stunning images. And yeah, even video.
You can forget about trying to learn complicated software. Right now, the top free image generator is built right into Google's Gemini. It's running on Google's latest model, and it creates these unbelievably realistic, professional quality images from just a simple bit of text.
And the process? It could not be simpler. You literally just type what you imagine, something like a photorealistic picture of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, and boom, the AI does all the heavy lifting. No artistic skill required whatsoever.
Image generation is incredible, no doubt, but the next frontier is video. And in the free-to-use world, one name is just dominating the conversation, Kling AI. And folks, this is where things get really, really exciting. What you're looking at is just a number, 66. Now, it might not seem like much, but it represents the kind of power that Kling AI puts in your hands every single day for free. So, what does it actually mean?
It means you get 66 credits every single day. That is enough to create about 10 short, high-quality, cinematic video clips just from your text prompts. This isn't some trial or a gimmick. This is basically a free video production studio right at your fingertips.
Okay, let's shift gears from creativity to pure, unadulterated efficiency. How can AI take care of all the boring, time-sucking parts of your day so you can actually focus on what matters?
Think about these common problems. Are you drowning in research papers or long documents? Use Google's NotebookLM to get perfect summaries. Need to whip up a presentation fast? Gamma can build a beautiful one from a single prompt. And Fireflies.ai? It'll basically join your meetings and write up the notes for you. It's wild.
Now here's a crucial thing you need to know about a tool like NotebookLM. It's this concept of zero hallucinations. In simple terms, it means the AI is forbidden from making stuff up. It can only use the information from the documents you give it. This guarantees that its summaries and its answers are 100% accurate and based entirely on your source material. It's a researcher's absolute dream.
So, we've seen all these amazing individual tools, but the real power, the real magic, comes when you start to combine them. So, let's build your free, all-in-one AI toolkit.
And here it is, your ultimate AI super stack. Use Claude for your serious writing, Gemini is your go-to for research and creating stunning visuals, NotebookLM handles all your source-based work, Kling is there for video, and you can even generate completely original, royalty-free music with Suno AI. Seriously, this combination right here covers probably 95% of what most of us would ever need to do.
But just having the tools isn't quite enough. You've got to be smart about how you use them. So rotate between them if you hit a daily limit on one. Learn to write really clear, specific prompts. That's key. And if you're already in the Google ecosystem, connecting Gemini and NotebookLM creates an incredibly smooth workflow for research and writing.
We've covered a ton of ground, from writing and visuals all the way to full-on automation. So what does this all really mean for you?
The big takeaway is this. The barrier to entry? It's gone. It has completely vanished. Professional level creation and productivity are no longer hiding behind expensive paywalls. The tools to build, to write, to design, and to automate, they are right here in your hands.
The power has totally shifted. It's not about who can afford the best tools anymore. It's about who has the best ideas. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell? What problem will you solve? What will you bring to life first?